If you are looking for best French press coffee maker, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Frieling Double Wall Stainless Steel French Press. This highly polished stainless steel French press makes a pretty presentation, while the full-length handle makes it easy to lift and pour. It has a 2-stage filter, including a pre-filter that strains out the larger grains of coffee, and a second fine mesh filter to remove sediment. The item is made from 18-10 stainless steel with double wall construction that retains heat roughly 4 times longer than glass French presses, so it can even be used as a serving carafe at your kitchen table for other beverages. The stainless steel is durable and won't shatter like glass beakers. Number 2. KONA French Press Coffee Maker. The KONA French Press Coffee Maker has an insulated outer sleeve to prevent chips, dings, or shattering. The combination of the glass body and the plastic sleeve puts the press on the lighter side. Quote, "This allows it be both portable and durable, but keep an eye out because it's also easier to tip over." The item is an all-time favorite online with thousands of positive reviews. Customers love that it's well-designed, easy to clean, and offers a delicious punch of caffeine, not to mention its budget price. Number 3. Bodum CHAMBORD French Press Coffee Maker. Bodum has been manufacturing press coffee makers for decades, and they have a wide range of products, including many versions of the French press. This one has a heat-resistant borosilicate glass carafe with a plastic handle and base, so it's easy to use and easy to keep clean. It's also available in a number of sizes, starting at 12 ounces and going all the way up to 51 ounces. The plunger is made from stainless steel with a mesh filter that helps extract the aromatic oils while leaving the grounds behind. Number 4. Bodum Brazil Coffee Maker. A budget French press can still make an excellent cup of coffee, like this lower-cost model. The carafe is made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, and the handle and base are plastic. The plunger is made from stainless steel and has a mesh filter that keeps the flavor in and grounds out. All parts are dishwasher safe. This large press makes 34 ounces of coffee, so it's enough for a whole family. Of course, since it takes so little time, you can even refill and make a second batch if you're brewing for a party. Number 5. Bodum Travel Tea and Coffee Press. If you want to take your French press coffee on the go, this 15-ounce press is just right for you. The press itself is incorporated into a travel mug that has double-walled vacuum-sealed stainless steel construction that keeps the coffee warm while you go. The lid is spill-resistant, but because of the plunger, it's not completely leak-proof. It's designed to take your coffee to sip on the go but shouldn't be tossed into your bag or briefcase. The non-slip grip, lid, and plunger top are made from silicone, available in red, black, white, or green. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.